In this video, I'll show you how to change the brightness on your Samsung Smart TV. So first things first, you need to head over to the settings menu on your television. Now you can do this either by pressing the home button located on your remote control. And then if we scroll all the way across to the left hand side, you'll see this option for settings. On some remote controls, you may actually have a settings button located on the remote. Down at the bottom here, you can see I have this button labeled settings. So we can also press this to bring up the settings menu directly. Now from here, make sure you're inside of the picture tab and scroll across. Then come down to expert settings and select this. And right at the top here, you'll see brightness. Now go ahead and select brightness. And from here, we can adjust this slider either to the left or to the right to make it either darker or brighter. Now by default, I have my television set to its maximum, which is 50, but obviously you can adjust this to whatever fits your needs. And once you've finished, we can close out of this window, and that's how you change your brightness on your Samsung television. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.